In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use IGTV. So I'm currently logged into my IGTV app, and this is the main screen that you're going to have. So there's normally going to be a video playing at the top, and you can just scroll down and you can see all different types of content. So if you click on one of these, it opens it up.
Hi everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's see if we can give you 2 ways of slowing.
Just going to go back on that one. At the top you have some navigation, so you have a search feature. So I can do a search for, let's just say, Kevin Hart. And I can click on one of the channels up here. So this looks like it's the legit one because it's got 74 million followers. You can click on follow. You'll now get Kevin Hart's content when he posts it. Likewise, you can scroll down and just click on
On a set shooting Jumanji.
any video content that he's created. We go back and go back again. The 3 dots in the top right hand corner. We can click on view profile. So you can see your own profile there. And then if you click on the video that I've already uploaded, it will start to play just like the others. Just going to go back. At the top we have a plus button. I'm going to click that. So this is us adding a video to our own channel. I'm just going to select one that's relatively short. So you're presented with the screen here, and you can choose what you want the cover thumbnail to be. So I'm going to stop the slider there. All I did was just move it across. You can click next at the top right hand corner. You can enter a title. You can enter a description. And then at the bottom of the page, you can click post. So we can see in the middle of the screen it's saying uploading. So it looks like it's going to take a little while to upload that for us. But that video that we just uploaded, if you click the 3 dots in the top right hand corner and click view profile, it will appear next to the video that we currently have called TSTTR. And that's how you use Instagram TV. For more tutorials, videos, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.